2 years of game development deleted. Over the past few months, I've been obsessing over 2 small scenes for my game. They were focused, self-contained, and they forced me to confront the flaws in my main map that was overcrowded, oversaturated, and a complete mess. So, I hit reset. But here's the twist. This isn't just a game devlog. This is a 30 days challenge where I try to rebuild the central planes of my game, while balancing real life as a husband and a dad. To make things even more interesting, I track everything with a stress bar. Every failure will push the bar up, and every win down. So, can I actually rebuild my game and survive family life for 30 days? Let's find out. The central planes were supposed to be the heart of the game world. Instead, they were a mess. No focal points, random colors, and absolutely no composition. So, let's begin. The first day felt good. Clean project, fresh start. A good cup of coffee and go. Stress bar steady. But reality hit almost immediately. Rebuilding the planes was as simple as I hoped. The landscape didn't match, the mesh needed polishing, and just when I thought I was making progress, Amber, my daughter, had other plans. She started her rage mode just in the middle of the morning. The only way to reset? Tennis, ASAP. A good forehand, followed by another one, and the stress bar is down again. Days pass calmly and steadily, trying to find the right balance with the rocks and water. In day 7, I finally nailed the correct textures pattern of all the rocks of the first section. A real breakthrough. Stress bar drops. But I made one critical mistake. Today I completely forgot about the dishes piling up in the sink. When my wife noticed, let's just say she wasn't exactly thrilled. The stress bar instantly spiked up. Day 12. One quiet afternoon, everything was finally starting to click. For the first time, the lighting setup brought real depth and atmosphere to the planes. I was genuinely proud. And then, Amber decided to join the development team. She climbed onto my lap with the determination of a speedrunner. And before I could stop her, tiny hands all over the keyboard. In a single heroic combo, she managed to smash half the shortcuts I never use, and crash the entire scene. By day 17, the first section of the map was done. Composition locked, colors balanced, and first landmark placed. Stress bar fell to its lowest point yet. And that evening, quiet family time, stress bar almost flatlined. For a moment, everything felt under control. But then the final week of the challenge arrived. The planes still weren't ready, deadlines were slipping, and every hour that passed the stress bar crept higher. Then life decided to throw everything at me. Amber didn't sleep through the night, turning bedtime into a full raid boss encounter. My wife reminded me, again, that I hadn't spent enough time with her. And just when I thought it couldn't get worse, Amber, sneaky, pushed the power button of the PC. Hours of work gone in seconds. Yes, I didn't save. That was it. The stress bar maxed out, 100%. System failure. I exploded. Not literally, but imagine a developer going nuclear, frustrated muttering, head in hands, yelling at the monitor like it personally betrayed me. For a solid minute, the stress bar wasn't even a bar anymore. It was pure chaos. Game over. The day after, I had to take a break. I cleared my head with a calm walk with Amber and my beagle, recharged the battery with a nice family dinner, and came back stronger. Stress bar rebuilt. Against the odds, the good part of the planes are here. Layered, colorful, and finally alive. It's not perfect, but it proves the vision works. It's important to have a clear goal, but learning how to manage yourself is just as critical. With a full-time job and a family, finding balance isn't optional. It's survival. Burning out won't help the game, it won't help you, and it definitely won't help the people you love. I lost 2 years to bad choices, but in 30 days, with the family by my side, I found the path forward. And the stress bar still ticking, still moving, just like real life.